Hey everybody! So today we're going to be taking apart this little guy. This is the R36H, and I've had it for a couple days now, and yeah, I want to see what's in it. I know it's an RK3326, I do believe, but the mysterious HDMI port, and yeah, I just want to see what the board looks like, damn it. So come along. Let's see what it looks like. Alright, so first things first, we need to turn this off. So hold down the power button until that light goes out. Alright, and then I got this here, so let's flip it over, and there we go. That way it's not just laying on its screen. And let's go ahead and do that so we can take out the battery. So it has a 3000 milliamp hour battery. And oh, there's the chip. Alright, so we got 4 screws on the back. And the stupid warranty void. Ah, fuck you. Just stab right through you. Not like I'm going to return you. Alright, let's... One hasn't come out. Come on. Okay, there it is. Alright, with those out, the back should be removable, because I figure, like most things, here, let me scoot you up. Alright, so I figure like most things, it should be just pry along this edge. Yeah. Oop. Don't do what I did and drop your buttons. So I'll have to figure out how those go back in. They probably just, yeah, they just set in. Oop. They just set in there. Oh, okay. That explains why I couldn't get Wi-Fi to work. It doesn't have Wi-Fi. And alright, I kind of forgot where I was, so let's just hop back to it. So back comes off easy. Make sure to take out your buttons so you don't lose them. And there is our rock chip and our 1 gig of RAM. That is going to be our power distribution chip, probably USB chip also. And you can see the joysticks are fairly easy to change out. Just 2 screws and a little flex cable. And you can see this board was made 24/11/16. This is the 21st version. Yeah, can definitely see why it doesn't have Wi-Fi. Or I can't get the Wi-Fi to work, I should say. But other than that, yeah, it's pretty straightforward. No, can't really get that out. Anyways, yeah. I am going to cut here, and we're going to jump into what content is on the SD card and see what it does when it's plugged into the computer. Okay, so got the SD card inserted. As you can see, we have R36H OS version 20 64G, and then an 81 gig SD card. Hold on. Okay, so what I went and did was I opened up my disk management, and as you can see, this is a 90, we'll call it a 90 gig SD card. Interesting. Anyways, only 2 gigs free on this guy. So we've got just the operating system files here, version 5. All right. There's the database file. But as you can see, this is the RG351MP file system. So, knowing that, we can go Google what other things might be compatible with this. As you can see, it's also the R36S. So even though this is the H, the S model is the more Game Boy-like version. So anyways, let's go see if we can find another operating system out of curiosity. Anyways, I found the default firmware from Ambernick. Alright, so as you saw in that last clip, it has like a 90 gig SD card, so I have no idea what size it would be. And I haven't tried installing Ambernick's default firmware. I've been just using the ARC 2.0. And from what I can find, that's actually the preferred operating system that a lot of people use. So, yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching, and you'll see me in the next one. Bye.